So you just click on this drop down here and then look for MD5, and then now you can change this into what you actually want as your password. It's very difficult when you're trying to enter a WordPress website and you don't remember the password. I mean, there is the option for you to, do your password reset with the lost your password option, but that's even possible if you remember your username or your email address. For example, if let's say you migrated this website for someone who don't remember any of these details, it's very annoying. It's like you just can't get into this website, right? So in this video, I'm going to take you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can log into your WordPress website even if you do not remember your password, your email, or your username. So a point to note is this step-by-step guide is ideal for self-hosted WordPress users, right? Because we are going to go through the CPanel to access this information and make this edit that we need to do. For us to achieve this, we first have to log into the web hosting control panel, where we'll be able to navigate to PHPMyAdmin to make this change that we need to do. So of course here we're just going to click on PHPMyAdmin. As it loads up, we sign in. This may be unfamiliar to you if you're not someone who's used to databases, right? But this is pretty normal. All you have to do is follow this guide and then do exactly as I am doing to achieve the results that you desire, right? So over here, we're going to look for users and click on that. And then you see that over here, it's got two different user accounts, right? So it's got the user login. This is the ID. And it's got the email right here, right? But the password now is encrypted. So if we copy this and paste it, it will not work. So we have to edit this to make sure that it's usable before we take it to log in. So we're going to click on edit. As it loads up, right? Over here, it says user pass and it's in virtual. It's a little bit extreme with programming, but just don't think about it so much. Just again follow the step-by-step guide and then you are going to do fine. So you just click on this drop down here and then look for MD5, and then now you can change this into what you actually want as your password. So I'm just gonna update it as new PWDYTB, right? And I'm going to copy this so it makes it easier. I'll just paste it when I go back, and then come to the bottom here. It says go. You click on that, and then just like that, your new password will be encrypted here, and you now know what your username is. So you go back to WordPress and then you paste this password here, the one that you just done, and then you paste your username and you hit enter. Right. And we are in, just like that, right? So this is pretty easy. This is not difficult. This is just simple. It's easy. Everyone can do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it so useful. I'll see you again in the next video, but kindly subscribe to this channel and do what to like, comment, share, and do all of that magic for me.